What's up mga kasarmba and welcome again sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Kia Gateway Talisay City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Mark Cañete on his mobile phone. This is a 2024 Kia Soluto 1.4 LX MT. 840k to, Cebu City price ha. July promo is 8,000 based on 20% down payment. 48 months is 20,299.00 and 60 months is 17,247.00. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brake is anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features is electronic door locks and ISOFIX. Dito sa harap, dalawang grille taas at baba. Tiger nose grille, Kia logo. Chrome dito. Sa baba din. Honeycomb type, gloss black, walang butas. Dito meron. Window type, matte. Sa baba din, window type, matte. May silver accent. Then walang mga fog lamps. Headlights is multi-reflector, halogen. Sa baba, gloss black fake vents for added look. Dito sa gilid, steel rims. Tires is 175/70 R14 Nixin. Side fender repeaters. Body color side mirror. Auto adjust and manual folding. Matte door trim. Keyless remote entry. Body color doorknobs. Front suspension is McPherson strut plus H-type subframe. And rear is V-beam coupled torsion beam axle. Front brake is disc and rear is drum. Dito sa likod, full type antenna sa taas, third brake light nasa loob. Kia logo ang Soluto emblem is aluminum. Pwedeng susian pagbukas ng trunk. Then walang backup sensors, backup camera, taillights is halogen. Sa baba is reflector. Buksan natin yung trunk. Space sa baggage. May ilaw. Sa ilalim, spare tire, tools and jack. Door panels is dark gray with gray and silver accent. Tweeter speaker. Plastic. Silver doorknob. Gray accent. Plastic. Malagyan. Bottle holder. Speaker. Sa likod na door panels is same. Dark gray with gray and silver accent. Plastic, silver doorknob, gray accent, power window button, maliit na malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Shelves sa likod. Walang mga pockets dito sa likod ng mga upuan. Dito sa gitna, malakyan. Sa driver side ng door panels is same, dark gray with gray and silver accent. Tweeter speaker, plastic, silver doorknob, gray accent, plastic, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Steering wheel is tilt only. Plastic. May design dito sa gilid. Air vents, piano black, with silver accent sa gitna, circle type, headlights leveling, side mirror adjust, hood lever, trunk, and gas tank lever. Upuan is fabric, gray, line design, light sa gitna, dito sa taas, may handrest, retractable, 4-way manual adjust, view sa likod, 4-spoke steering wheel urethane with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is different modes, infotainment button, and cellphone buttons. Dash is analog RPM and speedometer, then may maliit na display sa gitna. Infotainment is 7 inches touchscreen via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and USB ready. Aircon is manual dial type, dome lights, then mic. Sun visor walang mirror sa driver side, sun visor na may mirror sa passenger side. Rotary type ignition switch, bulging talaga dito sa may aircon. Ito, power window switch sa driver side. Ito, sa likod ng driver. Windows lock. Sa likod ng passenger side. Sa passenger. Kasi wala na dito ang switch. Malagyan. Malagyan din. Auxiliary. USB. 12-volt socket. Synthetic. Manual tranny. Silver accent. Manual handbrake. Malagyan. 2 cup holders. Malagyan. Malagyan. Passenger na upuan is fabric. 4-way manual adjust. Plastic. Airbag. Piano black circle air vents. Silver accent. Dito din. Piano black. Silver accent. Glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.4 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual CVT gasoline engine. Max output is 95 PS, max torque is 132 Nm of torque. Transmission is 5-speed manual, fuel tank capacity is 43 liters. So that's it mga kasarbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli and paalam. Peace! Thank you!